Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding GitHub is essential in today's tech world. So let's dive in. What is GitHub? GitHub is a platform that allows you to store, manage and share your code with others. And it uses Git, a version control system, to track changes in your codebase over time. How do I create a GitHub account? Simply go to github.com, click on the sign up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to choose a username that reflects your identity as a developer. How do I set up Git? You will need to set up Git on your local machine. You can download Git from git-scm.com and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. How do I create a repository? Once Git is set up, you can create a new repository on GitHub. A repository or repo is like a folder that contains all your project files. To create a new repo, click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your GitHub dashboard and select a new repository. Give your repo a name, add a description if you like, and click Create Repository. How do I clone a repository? To work on a project locally, you will need to clone the repository to your computer. To do this, navigate to the repository on GitHub. Click on the code button and copy the URL. Then open Git bash or your preferred terminal. Navigate to the directory where you want to clone the repo and use the command git clone and then repository URL to clone the repository. How do I make changes and commit them? Once you will clone the repository, you can start making changes to your project files. After making changes, you will need to stage them for commit using the command git add to add all changes, or git add then file name to add a specific file. Then commit your changes using the command git commit -m and commit message. How do I push changes to GitHub? To push your changes to GitHub and make them visible to others, use the command git push origin and the branch name. The branch name is usually main or master by default. And there you have it, a basic overview of how to use GitHub. Remember, GitHub is a powerful tool that can help you collaborate with others, track changes in your code and showcase your project to the world. So get out there and start coding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to Code with Virendra for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.